up, man? What's going on?
Man, nothing much, man. You got this beautiful truck, man. What year is it? What kind of truck is this?
It's a 1987 C10 Chevy truck. That's what I got.
Hey,
it's my baby.
And it ain't stock either.
No.
So what we got going on here? Can you tell us a little bit about your truck?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we got, it's a 383 stroker. It's got Edelbrock heads on it. It's got the Herb push rods on it. It's got the flat top pistons. It's got the comp cam in it. It's got let's see, we got hooker headers on it. Oh, she'll roll.
Okay.
She'll roll. I got the Edelbrock ASV series 650 carb on it. That's all I need. Everybody say, hey, they talk about them. Everybody talk about the other carburetors the best, you know. But I like these, man. This is my thing.
Hey, so how long have you had the truck?
I had this truck probably about 8 years now. 8 years.
So what kind of condition was it in when you first got it?
It was rough, man. It was in bad shape. The interior was beat up. The engine, it had an engine in it, but it was dusty. Everything just all, about crumbly, coming apart. So what I did is pull the engine out of engine and trans, and I sold that one and had this motor built and dropped in it because I wanted something there to get down and go. I ain't playing. So to top it off, I got a 700 R4 transmission. I got overdrive for the highway if we rolling. Good gas mount. And I got a posi rearing in it, 342 gear with a Detroit locker. It's posi in it. So she'll lock both wheels up at all times. And that's what I want. I want to be able to make it dance. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.